In this video we'll check if two strings are anagrams using sorted method. So we'll make the first string as heart. Let's make string 2 as earth. Okay. So we'll convert both the strings to lower using the lower method. Okay. str2 equals str2 dot lower. So if we'll check if the length of string 1 and string 2 are same or not. Okay, using the if statement, and then we'll sort using the sorted method. Sorted string 1 equals sorted str1. Similarly, sorted str2 equals sorted str2. Okay. So now we will check if characters array are same. So let's make if statement if sorted string 1 is equals to sorted string 2. Okay. So if this condition is met, we will print str1 and okay, and then we'll concatenate with str2, and then we'll say r anagram. Okay, we'll make else statement, else we'll print str1 and we'll put plus str2 are not anagram. Okay, we'll make another else statement, print str1 and str2 are not anagram. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see heart and earth are anagram. So let me change here to earths, so it will give output as are not anagram.